Alright, today we're going to bring a CarPlay, and I like this one. It's very small, compact little CarPlay, if you guys can see. Now, they do give you a couple options, Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to Type-A if you don't have it. So today we don't have Type-C, we only have Type-A. And the old way I used to be plugged in, I was able to plug in my phone directly to the actual system. But today, we don't have to do that. We're going to do it wirelessly, get rid of that, and let's go ahead and set it up. So what you're going to do, get the Type-C. You guys can see Type-C goes in here, plug it in, goes into your car, and all you got to do is wait for the system, and then you got to look for it in your settings. So it just came up out here right now. We're going to say continue, agree to the terms, and the CarPlay set up already. Now you got to do is wirelessly. So we're going to look for wirelessly. We're going to look for it. It's going to come back right here, and there it is right there. Smart box, connect to it. Once you connect, you want to pair it, and then pairing it, if you guys can see that, allow it. So right now we're setting up our phone, everything's coming on, it's syncing up, and the device is going to kick in right now. All right, we got it set up right now. I'm not going to show you the map area because I don't want to get monetized for showing directions or anything like that, but you got all the apps that you require on your phone. You got music, text messages, and so forth. Like this map area, I'm not going to show you any of that stuff, but we're going to go back to messages. And in the messages, I like that it shows you the text messages, your favorite Spotify, Netflix, or YouTube. You could set this up on your apps. It works compatible with your phone, and you could set it up easy. A lot of stuff that comes in here, it's already pre-registered on your phone, so it's going to be compatible with the actual system. Your music, your profile, pretty much everything's automatically going to load up without any plugs or any wire, any tethering. All you got to do is log in, turn on your car, and that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about the Bluetooth. It automatically kicks in. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.